Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to update Apple Pay expiration date. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Step 1 is to open the wallet app, unlock your iPhone or iPad and locate the wallet application which is pre-installed on iOS devices. It has the icon of a wallet with multiple cards. The next step is to access Apple Pay settings. Once you have opened the wallet app, tap on the Apple Pay option. It is usually located at the top of the screen or in the lower left corner. This will take you to the Apple Pay settings. The next step is to select the card. So in the Apple Pay settings, you will see a list of your added cards. Find the card for which you want to update the expiration date and tap on it to access its details. The next step is to edit the expiration date. On the card details page, you should see an option to edit or update the expiration date. Tap on this option to modify the expiration date of your card. The last step is to enter the new expiration dates. A pop-up or a new screen will appear, allowing you to enter the new expiration date for your card. Use the on-screen keyboard or select the date from the provided options to update the expiration date. So once you have entered the correct information, tap on done or save to apply the changes. So this is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.